Welcome back to the channel. My name's Ardil and today we have been working on this incredibly special vehicle, the McLaren 750S, an extraordinary car, a brand new vehicle for a returning client of ours. The client has actually had in his Aston Martin DB12 the Target Blu Eye system, as well as a load of other work including full sound system, but Target Blu Eye, an incredible bit of kit. For those of you who don't know what it is, you probably have seen it all over our socials, but Target Blu Eye is incredibly popular. What it is an emergency service warning device. It alerts you by an audible tone and a visual alert of approaching marked and unmarked vehicles. Yes, you heard me correctly. Yeah, it is as good as it sounds. And that is why this client has returned with his new car to have the same product installed, because of how amazing it is. Once you have lived with the product, honestly, there is no going back. It is one of my favorite products we do. It is something that goes straight into every single car that I drive. I don't drive a car without it. It's completely legal. It's literally a no-brainer. Being alerted by a visual and audible tone of approaching marked and unmarked vehicles is just everything you could possibly want, especially in motors like this. What we've actually done on this is integrated the actual display into the factory McLaren rear view mirror, which is no easy task. It goes into a module which is hidden away, out of sight, out of mind, but all professionally installed. And then there's a physical cable run that runs all the way through into the factory locations. This is really, really important, because what this actually does is it means that everything is really neatly installed behind the scenes. It means that you've got an antenna to the front side of the bumper in this area here, and then we've also got that module really professionally neatly installed, all gone into fuse box location. So everything is incredibly neat and tidy. We've also documented that process on our internal group chat. That is why clients return to us and also trust us with vehicles like this on a daily basis. So the McLaren 750S is all wrapped up. If you're interested in more information on Target Blu Eye, head over to our website, submit an inquiry. You'll automatically get a price list back, and I will be upgrading your car soon.